What's up? It's me. Look at this. My oldest boy wrecked the Honda Lac. He's okay. He's bruised up a little bit. This is what scared me whenever I seen it. This is from a tree. That red there is a they had like an old style thing leaning up against the tree, you know, the old lawnmower thing. You know, it's got the blades on it that rotate. That's not motor powered. Look at that. Like, he was, you know, up on his side because the thing that he first hit, he went in between two trees, pinged off of one, and you know, that caused the side to go up and blam. So yeah, needless to say, the Honda Lac is no more. He just put that wing on and some underglow, you know, teenage boy stuff. What a mess. Everything come flying up. He's got glasses, hair still probably. I am curious to see if it starts. Let's try to start the Honda Lac. All right, I just went and got the key. First, we're going to check the oil. If I can get the hood popped, wish me luck. At the scene, I'll throw some pictures here. At the scene, there was no oil leaking, but that other end of the drive shaft was ripped off. Okay, we're not getting the hood popped. So without stepping in, bunch of wipers were on because it was slippery. We've got a beeping noise. I wonder what that means. All right, we're gonna try it. Foot on the clutch. We are out of gear as far as I know. There we go. Look at that. Purrs like kitten, my friends. So, the Honda Lac lives on. My neighbor, that's what he does. That's where we bought this one from. That's where we bought my daughter's from. That's where I bought the one that's in the yard back here. He buys them wrecked like this, takes the motors out, puts them in a nice body. Somebody blew up the motor, or did, you know. And that's what we're gonna do. Stick around for those chronicles. Yeah, it's not leaking a bit. There's nothing leaking, so. The Lac lives on. Thanks for watching, guys. All good to go here. So somehow, in the hospital, he was worried about his chocolate milk. It was in the floorboard. It survived every bit of it. A little bit of impact there, but whatever. Then we ended up with an extra hubcap. He's a 4-lug. That wasn't even his. So. Thanks.
Thanks. I didn't really comprehend that's a 5.
You can go with me if you want. Radiator's done. I'm just going to the UPS store. And then to the gas station.
My coolant reservoir survived.
Yeah.
Of course, there's no coolant in it.
You got a little bit of leaks, but who knows if that was a spill or not.
It wasn't that bad before, so. Let's say that probably was something.
Yeah. Sorry about the shaky, guys, but we are going to need. Oh man, yeah, they ripped that out of the transmission, not out of the wheel. I thought it ripped it out of the wheel. That's okay. A lot of these cars just have blown engines, so you just swap out the transmission. Dude, that pulled it straight out. It didn't even break the transmission. It pulled it out. Man. Hell, why can't we just get a hammer and this thing be ready to go? Oh, he's a little sore. That's how I feel every day getting out of a truck. All right. We'll keep you updated on the Honda Lac Chronicles.